You're going to get tired of this. They can respond or not respond. And if they don't respond, we do this. And if they respond, we do that. The whole playbook is that way. If they do this, you do this. If they do that, you do that. Okay? And I'm just going to just kind of breeze through the next few a little bit. But here now we get into they watch the video. Well, we called them back after they watched the video. Now, if they did show, we're going to do the after call, and we're going to attempt to recruit them, and we're going to see if they signed up or they didn't sign up. If they signed up, great, sign them up. If they didn't sign up, go to phase 4. Basically says, understand why they are not joining the team, and then we're into our multiple exposure process. But a lot of times, again, that's not what jams people up. What jams people up is they didn't get back to me. They watched the video. And again, the stories. They didn't watch it because whatever you want to make up a story. Okay. We don't know the story. All we know is that they watch it or not. So I still send the no-show quick call text. Okay. Then we're going to say, if they don't get back to us, we're going to look in prospect. Did they watch it or they didn't watch it? If they watched it, we send this. If they didn't watch it, we send that.